Right, guys, I'm here to talk about this whole concept of addiction to trade in the markets. Okay, now, trading in the financial market is a stimulating, exciting, and engrossing, you know, one that you just can't help yourself, but you just love it. You give it this buzz, it's almost like being at a casino, gambling, and or taking illegal drugs to that's what you call like an addiction. It's like any severe addiction. This can cost you your job, can cost you a relationship, and of course your financial resources. Guys, it can cost you everything because you might want to put everything on the line because you lose £10, then you want to go back and make back that £10, and you might have to put on £20 to make that £10 back. Now you put the £20 on, so you've lost the £10, you've lost the £20. Now you want to get back the £30. So you've got to put more. You put that more, you lose that one as well. And then what happens? You get a winner. You said, yay, yay, yay. You feel really good. And then that euphoric moment of winning once, then you say, you know what, I can do this. And you win again, you win again. Just to entice you, just to get you back in. Wham, I just whop. Just consistently taking more and more and more. And the adrenaline rush and the euphoria and everything else. And the temptation of wanting more. And that's the same thing here, guys. Now, let's see how we can actually go about fixing this. Now, forget about doing trading as a hobby. If you ever go onto a real account and think of trading as a hobby, then forget it. Because you were like the person that this market was sucking and spit out. You've got to trade it as a business. It's really important that you take a business approach to trading. Trying, as I was saying earlier, to recover all the money you've lost. Guys, I've lost thousands and thousands of pounds. No, I'm not trying to recover that money. That money was a part of my learning journey. And that's what I've got to do now. It's about making a fresh start. And every time you put a trade on, it's about a fresh start. You need to forget about what had happened before. And when I say forget about what has happened before, I'm not talking about, not learning from mistakes. I'm talking about whether it's a loser or a winner. You be consistent, you follow a trading plan, and you do things according to the approach, according to what gives you an edge. Okay? Now, next one. Stop trying to get this so-called euphoric moment. That buzz. No, forget that. Take control and remain disciplined while you follow your rules. Okay? Because guys, let me tell you something. If I put on a trade and I win today, and I put on a trade tomorrow and I lose tomorrow, then what? I should try and display the same emotions. You see, once you follow your rules and it's a losing trade, then you have nothing to worry about. Remember, this trading strategy that you're following as an edge according to you, right? Because it gives you more winners than losers. And you follow your rules, then whether or not it's a winner or a loser, you should be happy. I've lost a trade, so what? I followed my rules, so I am happy. Next thing, stop moving from system to system, the system hopping, stop it. Just stop doing it. Because what a lot of people do, they try one system and it works for a time, then it stops. Then it doesn't work, then this one doesn't. Then he goes to something else. Guys, stop doing that. That's one of the major reasons why, right, retail traders lose money. The big hedge fund managers, and the fund managers, they don't hop from one system to another. Of course, they've got different ways they can trade in terms of they could hedge in the stocks, they could do it in the indices, in the futures, bonds, all of these other things. They can edge around and sort of reduce you know, the losses and so on, and you know, and edge from one to another. But you know, that's just to reduce their risk. But what I'm talking about here, they've got a strategy that they follow all the time. Now, guys, what we want to be doing is trading with these big guys. You know, the retail traders are going to be system hopping. They're going to blow up their account. Now, find a trading strategy that you are comfortable with. Try it on a demo account. See that it's profitable. Display the same emotions that you've displayed on the demo and becoming profitable on the real account. And guys, let me tell you something. I've been winning now for a while. Since October, I haven't had a losing trade. And when I say losing trade, I'm talking about a trade that I haven't put on correctly. I've been following my rules non-stop. Yeah? So, and also as well, I haven't had a losing month since then. Because I've been consistent with what I'm doing. And of course, there are going to be months when I'm going to lose. And I know it's coming. But then, I've got to be ready for it. And how am I going to be ready? Because I'm going to be following my rules. So there are no two ways. I won't have any doubts in my system working because I know what I'm doing. Okay? Now, so find a trading strategy that you are comfortable with and try it in a demo account. Next one. Now, the final part of the jigsaw is to follow your trading plan. You know, just write a trading plan that makes sense to you. And that makes sense to your psychology. Yeah? Just that's what you got to do. Get your trading plan, get your risk level up. Get something that's going to help your psychology to make sense. And always think of the process over the outcome. Always think of the process over the outcome. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. God bless. God bless and happy trading.